St. Andrew Academy Incorporated, San Antonio, Sangay, Cavite Sur. Troop Commander next up, Mary Vance Clerico, Troop Commander. Sandra Vanilla, Troop S1. Vincent Angela Varte, Troop S2. Maylin Florida, Troop S3. Trixie Abigail Nascado, Troop S4. Adrian Tudor, and Pauline Santos. First platoon leader boys, Alan Daniel Molina Jr. Second platoon leader girls, Leia Shane Mesinas. Crewhead Principal, Sister Nicolasa B. Portia B. Two platoon